Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your file sharing with WeTransfer, beginner guide step by step clearly. Visit the WeTransfer website by typing in the URL in your browser. Look for the upload section on the home page. Click on the plus sign icon to select files from your device. Choose the files you want to share. You can select multiple files if needed. Once your files are uploaded, enter the recipient's email address. Add your own email address to receive a notification. In the message box, you can include a note for the recipient. Before sending, check the option for link if you prefer to generate a shareable link instead. Once you have filled in the necessary details, click on the Transfer button. WeTransfer will begin uploading your files to its server. You will see a progress bar indicating the upload status. After the upload is complete, an email notification will be sent to the recipient. If you chose to create a link, it will be displayed for you to copy. To enhance security, you can set an expiration date for the transfer. Consider using a password to protect the files if this option is available. Inform the recipient of the password if you set one. After everything is in place, your files are securely shared. Always check the expiration and password settings for added security. Enjoy stress-free file sharing with WeTransfer while keeping your data safe. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.